Good morning, students. In chapter 7, triangles, now see some questions of this chapter. Question number 1. In a quadrilateral ABCD, AC is equal to AD and AB bisect angle A, so that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. What can you say about BC and BD? So ABCD is a quadrilateral. Here AC is equal to BD given, and AB bisect angle A, because AB bisect angle A, so this angle will be equal to this one. Clear? Now we have to show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD, we have to prove. And also, what can you say about BC and BD? Clear? So now see this question. Here in triangle ABC and triangle ABD, clear? AC is equal to AD given, clear? And angle CAB will be equal to angle BAD. CAB will be equal to angle BAD, clear? And AB is equal to AB, common in both triangles. You can write common in both triangles, clear? So by SAS congruency, triangle ABC will be congruent to triangle ABD, clear? And side BC will be equal to side BD by CPCT, clear? Means we can say that by SAS congruency, because this side is equal to this one, this angle is equal to this one, and AB is equal to AB common in both. So by SAS congruency, triangle ABC will be congruent to triangle ADB, clear? And BC will be equal to BD by CPCT, clear? Now next question. In triangle in question number 2, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD is equal to BC and angle DAB is equal to angle CBA, clear? Then we have to prove that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. ABD means this triangle is congruent to BAC, means this one. We have to prove that these triangles are congruent, and also we have to prove that BD is equal to AC. BD is equal to AC. We have to prove, and also we have to prove angle ABD. ABD means this angle is equal to angle BAC, means this one. Angle ABD is equal to angle ABD means this angle is equal to angle BAC. BAC means this one. We have to prove, clear? Now see here, triangle ABD. तो in triangle ABD and triangle BAC, clear? Now see here, in triangle ABD and BAC, clear? Now AB is equal to AB, common in both triangle. Angle BAD is equal to angle ABC या CBE, A you can write. तो angle DAB और BAD you can write. तो angle DAB is equal to angle CBA given, clear? And AD is equal to BC also given. AD is equal to BC, clear? Then by SAS congruency, both triangle will be congruent, clear? Now see again, in triangle ABD and triangle ABC, clear? तो एंगल ABD angle DAB is equal to angle CBA given, means angle DAB, this angle is equal to this one, clear? तो angle DAB is equal to angle CBA given. AB is equal to AB common in both, and AD is equal to BC also given. So by SAS, both triangle will be congruent. So you can write, the first part will be proved कि triangle ABD will be congruent to triangle BAC by SAS, clear? Now in second part we have to prove that BD is equal to AC. So because triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC, therefore BD will be equal to AC by CPCT. BD will be equal to AC by CPCT, you can write, clear? And also angle ABD will also be equal to angle BAC by CPCT, clear? So in this question, firstly you have to prove triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC by CPCT, sorry, by SAS congruency. Then BD will be equal to AC by CPCT, and angle ABD will be equal to angle BAC by CPCT, clear? Now see the next question. AD and BC are equal perpendicular to a line segment AB. AD and BC are equal, clear? So this one is equal to this one given already. So that CD bisect AB, we have to show that CD bisect AB, or we have to prove that O is the midpoint of AB, or we can say that we have to prove OA is equal to OB. Clear? So now see here, we have to prove OA is equal to OB. Clear? We have to prove here. Now see here, in triangle DAO and triangle BCO. Clear? So BC is equal to BC given. BC is equal to DA given. Angle B is equal to angle A, each 90, and angle BOC is equal to angle AOD, vertically opposite angle. So by AAS congruency, both triangle will be congruent. Clear? Now see here, in triangle AOD and triangle BOC. Clear? So angle A is equal to angle B, each 90, each 90 degree. ठीक है? Now angle AOD will be equal to angle BOC. Angle AOD will be equal to angle BOC, vertically opposite angle. Clear? And AD is equal to BC given. So by AAS congruency, this triangle is congruent to this one, means triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOC. Then OA will be equal to OB by CPCT. Then OA will be equal to OB. Clear? So we can say that DC bisect AB at the point O. Clear? Now next question. In an isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equal to AC, ABC, isosceles triangle AB is equal to AC given. The bisector of angle B and C intersect each other at O. So bisector of B means this one, intersect each other at O. Bisector of B and bisector of angle C intersect at point O. And join A to O. Clear? Already join here. And we have to show that OB is equal to OC and AO bisect angle A. Clear? तो OB is equal to OC we have to prove. तो AB is equal to AC given. Clear? See it again. This question. A, B, C. AB is equal to AC given, and bisector of angle B and bisector of angle C intersect each other at the point O. Join A to O. Clear? Or we have to show that OB is equal to OC and also AO bisect angle A. Now, because AB is equal to AC, AB is equal to AC given, therefore angle ABC will be equal to angle ACB. Means this angle will be equal to this one, because angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Clear? Then half of angle ABC will be equal to half of angle ACB. Clear? तो half of angle ABC, this one, and half of angle ACB means angle this one. Clear? So you can write angle OBC or angle CBO. You can write angle CBO is equal to angle BCO. Clear? So now because this angle is equal to this one, then OB will be equal to OC. Therefore, OB will be equal to OC because angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Clear? So first part already proved. Now in second part, we have to prove AO bisect angle A. So now see again. So see again. First part already proved. Now in second part we have to prove that AO bisect angle A. Clear? So A, B, C, bisector of angle B, bisector of angle C, intersect at O, join A to O. Clear? Now we have to prove AO bisect angle A. So now half of angle ABC is equal to half of angle ACB. ACB. Half of angle means half of this angle and half of this angle will be equal to this one or this one. Clear? So you can write angle ABO, half of angle ABC, you can write angle ABO, and half of angle ACB, you can write angle ACO. So half of angle ABO will be equal to, So half of angle ABC will be angle ABO and half of angle ACB will be equal to angle AOC or ACO, sorry, angle ACO. Clear? So angle ABO is equal to angle ACO. So angle ABO is equal to angle ACO. Clear? So then by SAS, so angle ABO is equal to ACO, already proved here. Clear? So now taking these two triangle AOB and triangle AOC. Clear? So now in triangle AOB and in triangle AOC, see here, AB is equal to AC given. AB is equal to AC, already given. Clear? And angle ABO, this angle is equal to this one, already proved. Clear? And OB is equal to OC, already proved. This side is equal to this one, proved in first part. So by AS, so by side angle side SAS congruency, both triangle will be congruent to each other. So angle BAO means this one will be equal to CAO by CPCT. So we can say that AO bisect angle A. Clear? See here, in this question, triangle ABC and triangle DBC are two isosceles triangle. This triangle and this triangle are isosceles, means this side is equal to this one and this side is equal to this one. Clear? On the same base BC, so both triangle are on the same base BC. We have to show that angle ABD means this angle is equal to angle ACD. We have to prove. Clear? So now see here, in triangle A, firstly join A to D. Clear? Now in triangle ABD and triangle ACD. Clear? In ABD, so join A to D, and in triangle ABD and in triangle ACD. Clear? In both triangle AB is equal to AC given, BD is equal to DC given, already given. Clear? And side AD is equal to AD common in both triangle. AD is equal to AD common in both triangle. So you can say that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. So therefore angle ABC will be equal to angle ACD by CPCT. Clear? By SSS congruency, triangle ABD will be equal to angle ACD and angle ABD will be equal to angle ACD by CPCT. Clear? Now see last question. AD is an altitude AD is an altitude of an isosceles triangle ABC in which AB is equal to AC given. Clear? So that AD bisect BC. So because AD is perpendicular to BC, it is given कि AD is altitude. Clear? So in triangle AB ABC is an isosceles triangle. AB is equal to AC given. AD is the altitude. Clear? We have to prove that AD bisect BC and AD bisect angle A. So because AD is altitude, so this angle will be equal to this one, 90 degree. Clear? So now in triangle ABD and in triangle ACD, clear? AB is equal to AC given, already given. AD is equal to AD, common in both, and angle ADB is equal to angle ADC is 90. So by RHS congruency, right angle, hypotenuse and side, by RHS congruency, both triangle will be congruent. Clear? So we can say that BD will be equal to DC by CPCT. So we can say that AD bisect BC. The first part proved, and also this angle will be equal to this one, means angle BAD will be equal to angle CAD by CPCT. Clear? So because angle BAD is equal to angle CAD, so we can say that AD bisect angle A also. So second part already proved. Clear, students? Now you have to solve all the questions of exercise 7.1, 7.2 and 7.3. Okay, students? Thank you.